we're finding volumes by shell method. Shell method? Shell method. Okay, and they give us two functions. They give us y1 is x squared and y2 is 6x minus 2x squared. Then what? They also tell you that our axis of spinach is about the y-axis. Oh, boy. So what we want to do is we want to go graph. Whoa. You didn't see that? You didn't see any of this. So we graphed the two. Yeah. And what? It looks like our axis of spinach is the y. And then what? Whoa! That's our integration region. We sketched that to get an idea that we're integrating parallel to the axis of spinach. Then what? Our shells are going to look like this. We're making shells. And if we're looking at our surface after it's been spun, it looks like a, well, I'm not going to say what it looks like, but I think it might be a plunger. Yeah, a plunger. Just the base. Because it's all about that base. From here, we're going to get our upper and our lower. Let's go find those. Get rid of that. Ah, looks like my upper is the pink one, and my lower is the bottom one. Sure is. So that's going to help us set up our integral. Let's go back to that. Bam. Back that math up. Because we're setting up our integral. When we're using the shell method, it's the circumference times the height. Right. So let's get our limits of integration. We do that by setting the two functions equal to each other. So we set them equal to each other, and we're solving that guy. Get them all to one side, factor, and find that our x's are going to be 0 and 2. So now what do? We set up our integral. Go gadget integral. That's 0 to 2 pi x. Now, our height, our functions, there's an upper and a lower. So I take the upper minus the lower, and I put that in for the functions. And I'm just out here trying to function. I clean up that integrand, man, and I'm passing out that 2 pi. Why? Because it's a constant. I can take it out. So then when we do our integration, bam, that's 2 pi, add 1 and divide by it, add 1 and divide by it. Oh, fractions, I hope that doesn't get in the way. Let's evaluate that guy. Fundamental theorem of calculus, right on up here. So then we got a 2 pi times 2 times, evaluated it to 2, and minus 0. Clean that up, and, oh, looks like all that mess goes to 4. Now what? Oh, a Thanksgiving joke. 8 pi. Boxing muffin.